Annyeong, Kimchi Market here. Here's how we made our Pollack Roe Pasta. This pasta dish is probably one of the easiest recipes that doesn't require a lot of ingredients. Our Pollack Roe, or yeongnam, comes frozen, so you'll need to let it thaw at room temperature for about 20 minutes after taking it out of the freezer. Once it's soft, you can cut it into small pieces while your pasta boils. Once your noodles are done cooking, you could pretty much just throw everything in a pot together. We cooked some onions and garlic with butter in a pot before adding our pasta, our Pollack Roe, and some olive oil. Korean food can take such a long time to prep. That's why this recipe is great for moms, college students, or also if you just have a busy life and don't have time to cook for yourself. Check out the recipe below. Enjoy!